guys, and welcome to another vlog. Okay, the weather right now. It is super cloudy today. It's gonna be cloudy all day. Like a few vlogs ago, I was like, spring is here. I posted something on Instagram because the sun came out for like 3 days. And now we're back to normal Stuttgart winter. I don't know why I'm telling you guys about the weather, like you care. But maybe you do, I don't know. Okay, so today's Friday, and then I'm probably gonna vlog Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Some stuff that's happening this weekend. I have ballet today. I get a corona test today, because now at work we're getting tested twice a week so we can start all working together, which is pretty exciting. It's a big step forward for us. So I'll definitely be taking you guys along for work today, working out. Then Natalie and I will also be doing apartment hunting stuff. If you guys have been watching my videos or following me on Instagram or whatever, you guys know that Natalie and I are moving together within the next like 2 to 3 months. We're starting the apartment hunting process. Then the other exciting thing that's happening this weekend is the hardware stores are open in Germany, and I want to do some plant stuff this weekend. That's so depressing. I am a 20-year-old getting excited over hardware stores opening up. I guess that's what being 20 in a pandemic is like. But you know what? Like I always say in my videos, you gotta look on the positive side of things. I need to finish my coffee, and then I will be heading to the gym and doing a workout. I'm trying to get that summer bod. Okay, cheers to you guys, whether you're drinking a coffee or some wine or whatever, and enjoy the video. We decided to both wear shorts today. Are you wearing shorts to class today? Let's do it Friday. Yeah. Let's do it Friday. Either we both wear shorts to class. Got some Lululemons up in this house. These are so cute, these light blue ones. And then I roll them up real high. Gotta see them legs. Like here. Yeah. Okay guys, I did my COVID test. It was the nose and the mouth. The mouth one is fine for me. Assume what you want. But the nose one is such an uncomfortable feeling. But now I wait 15 minutes and get my test results. I'm so excited to tell you guys about today's sponsor, which is Lingoda. You guys know I worked with Lingoda back in December, and if you don't already know what they are, it is a language learning service online, and hands down, the best one for sure. I have been doing it for a little over 4 months now, and my German has improved so much. I will tell you guys about my own personal experience in a second, but I want to tell you guys about the course that I am telling you guys about today, which is the Lingoda Sprint course. So there's two options. There is the Super Sprint course, which is 30 classes a month for 3 months. And here's the crazy part. If you do all the classes, you get 100% of your money back. Or the regular Sprint course, which is 15 classes a month for 3 months, and you get 50% of your money back. You can do this in English, Spanish, French, German, or business English. The Sprint course starts on April 28th, and you have until April 16th to sign up, but sign up quick because the spots go quickly. More than 40,000 people have done the Sprint courses in the past, and everyone's success stories are so inspiring to read, and they definitely inspire me to learn more. So my personal experience, you guys know that I struggled to learn German because it is a very difficult language, but my favorite thing about Lingoda is you are doing a Zoom class with an actual teacher and in very small classes of maximum 5 people. My speaking, my reading, my listening, it has all gotten better, and I think that is due to the fact that you are in person learning. So with all that being said, you can even get a €10 or $12 discount if you use my code, which is change17, and click the link in my description. Go click that link in my description, sign up, get your €10 or $12 off the down payment, and let's get better at learning languages, because we all know as soon as this pandemic is better, I better see y'all traveling, speaking your French, German, Spanish, English, business English, whatever you choose to learn. I could ramble about Lingoda all day and tell you all the amazing things, but instead I filmed myself in a class, and you guys can judge for yourself if you think my German has gotten better. I know my German has gotten so much better. So here are some clips of me learning and speaking German. I know you guys always like to hear that, so yeah. Hallo.
Hallo, wie geht es dir?
Mir geht es gut.
Aha, und studierst du?
Nein, ich bin ein Balletttänzer von Beruf, also ich arbeite mit der Staatstheater. Das Geschirr ist sauber.
Was ist das Gegenteil von sauber, Tristan?
Schmutzig?
Genau.
Louis hat Alex' Wohnung schon gesehen. Ciao, Louis, das ist mein Wohnzimmer, mein Büro, mein Schlafzimmer und mein Badezimmer. Meine Wohnung ist ein bisschen klein, aber sie gefällt mir. Ich finde deine Wohnung sehr schön. Okay guys, so that class was mainly about reading the text so the teacher could hear us and correct us, but also we learned some new things. I'm not gonna bore you with some of the boring yet important stuff, but some fun things I learned today. This word is so hard for me to say. Knirrt. It's because in English we don't have that like KN, and that means to growl. So it means like if a dog, or I guess like a bear, growls at you. Ein Hund. And I also learned bellen, which is to bark. Ein Hund belt. Once again, shout out to Lingoda for sponsoring this video. I absolutely love working with them, and you guys better bet there will be more to come. My German journey is not over.
One, two, three, four.
Okay guys, so I got home from ballet, I took a shower, and then I laid in my bed for multiple hours, switching between sleeping, watching TikToks, listening to Lana Del Rey, and watching Emma Chamberlain on YouTube. I promise I'll be more productive and more exciting tomorrow. I just went and picked up some vegan food for Natalie and us. Natalie and us. Wow. Natalie and I. It's from a restaurant called Super Yummy Kitchen here in Stuttgart. It's a small little restaurant. It is so good. We got some vegan carrot cake. This is all vegan. I'm not gonna say vegan for everything. This is some carrot cake, a strawberry tart. This is the special of the week. It's some pasta, mint, potato thing, and it just looks delicious. Then also Natalie made us some of these
Corona sunrise.
Yes, which if you are on TikTok, you know what they are.
Yeah.
So we're gonna enjoy this, and I'll see you guys later. Good morning, guys. It's the next day. I was a bad YouTuber, but I was hanging out with my friends last night. We got a lot to do today, but I'm not gonna tell you everything. We're gonna take it one thing at a time. So what are we doing right now? Apartment hunting, woo! This apartment is in the perfect area. It looks really beautiful. We're really excited to see this one. So I'll try to film and show you guys. Let's go look at this apartment. Okay guys, so we just finished that apartment viewing. That might have been the one. I'm so picky about the floor of an apartment. Beautiful flooring, so much light. They're building in a balcony. It had that like modern touch, but also I really enjoy an apartment with character and like a little bit of that old building vibe, and it also had that. And then we also have another viewing on Monday of a really nice place. So now I have a bunch of errands to do, and I'll take you guys along and do some plant stuff. And then I have to film a video with Gabi later for the YouTube channel. So let's get going. I got a new plant. I haven't gotten one in a while. Angelina back there was the last time I got a new plant. So she is a Calathea, something like that. I need to look it up and look how to take care of her and everything. These pink like stripes on her. So pretty. Her name is Barbie. My name's Barbie, bitch. It's because of the pink, and I just think it fits so perfectly. I haven't decided where I'm gonna put her yet, but let's do an update on the other plants. Angelina, she is doing just fine. She's thriving. She's a really easy girl to take care of. Gunter, on the other hand, has been having some troubles. Some of his leaves turned yellow and they just like fell off. Now, a lot of people were saying you either underwatered him, overwatered him, but I don't think it was either of those. I think it's because he sits right next to the window and it got really cold and I didn't move him, and I think just the leaves that were closest to the window got like frostbite and just died. I do need to like replant him because I have not replanted this plant since I got it, which was like over a year ago, and I think he needs new soil along with Tinker. I think she also needs to be repotted with some new soil. I just think they're lacking some nutrients, but she's doing really well. She grows like crazy. I actually need to water her right now. The plan was to go get soil right now when I was going to get this new plant and to repot them today. I can't get soil from the place where you get soil because it's closed, but I guess it opens on Monday. Hear me out, y'all. Let me know how you like this plan. I have another apartment viewing and I'm gonna go get the soil and repot the plants on Monday. I was not planning on vlogging on Monday, but now I'm like, why don't I just do vlog yesterday, vlog today, skip tomorrow because I'm not doing much, and then vlog again on Monday. So we do another apartment viewing together and we also get to repot these plants. How's that sound? Good? Okay, good.
Waste of our time.
Hi guys, I had class, I worked out in the morning, productive morning, and I had class at 10:30, which was nice, so it's a little bit earlier than I've been having. So now I'm going to go pick up some soil for my plants. I'm gonna repot my plants today, which I'm really excited for, plant dad things, and hopefully I can get bigger pots for them because I think they're outgrowing. My babies are growing. Okay, no, I'm so annoying. Like, I'm trying too hard to do this gay plant dad shit and like, I'm winging it. Like, I don't know how to do this. But we have another apartment viewing at 2, so after I run and get this, we gotta go straight there. I'll take us along. Let's go get the stuff for the plants.
Were you? To call.
I can never seem to do anything right in this country. At this point, like, maybe I'm realizing like I'm just dumb and I don't know how to do things, or everything here in Germany is complicated. On Saturday, I ordered the soil to pick up, so I made sure they had it, right? And so I ordered it, I was gonna go pick it up and everything. I get there, and I'm like, oh, ich habe eine Bestellung, blah, blah, blah. They're like, oh no, we don't have Simpson. And then she's talking to me in German forever, telling me that it's gonna take longer and all this stuff, even though I said it would be ready Monday. Thank God they had it. But like, could you imagine if they didn't? I got a bunch of new pots. They're honestly quite orange compared to like my other pots. They're more like a muted tone, and we're gonna go view the apartment right now, so let's go. Okay guys, we just witnessed a fire. That building over there is on fire, which is really scary. I hope everyone's okay, and I hope there's no animals in there. That's what scares me. We are going to view the apartment right now. It's in the same area as the one that we viewed the other day, which is a good thing because that's like our dream area. We're excited to see this place. It looks really beautiful, so. Okay guys, so we just viewed the other apartment. Insert photos here because I didn't take any videos because like someone was living there and she had like a little baby and I was just like, okay, I'm not gonna film, but we have photos of it. I personally really like this apartment. It was in like a suburby area, but like still pretty close to city center, and it just felt like very homey, which I love. And the building itself was quite old but newly redone, so it had that very like old homey feel with new modern like appliances. It had the most beautiful like winter garden, and it just had an amazing flow to the apartment. This one is a little bit more expensive than the other one, but all in all, we think we're gonna go with the other one, and we're gonna message them now. I'm kind of blue balling you guys because I won't find out today, so this comes out and then like you guys won't really know what happens with this. Like, who knows, maybe we won't get it, but I think we will. And yeah, Coming soon is my podcast, and it's going to be a lot about why did no one teach me how to repot plants? Why did no one teach me in school how to do my taxes? Why did no one teach you how to find an apartment and move in and the moving process? Like, no one teaches you this shit. I want people to know that you're not going through it alone. Like, we're all confused.
Inside this cage that can't fit too. For now it's fine. Waste of our time. Out where the stars forget to shine.